Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to accept for new team to stay in YouTube partnership program and how to earn money from YouTube shorts. So how to set up your YouTube channel in order to earn money from your YouTube short video. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to scroll down. You can actually see YouTube have actually changed the monetization icon to what to earn. So I'll click on earn. Once I'm here, you are going to see ways to earn. You see watch page ads. You are going to see short feed ads. So guys, I'm going to click on what short feed ads, that is get started. After which I will simply click on what review, accept. So once you're here, you can actually see we are updating our YouTube partnership program. To stay in partnership program, you need to review and accept the update term. So guys, I'm going to click on what the first one, that is step 1, basic term. So I'm going to click on review. So you make sure you read this out. So that's it. You must simply read this. So I already read it, so I won't read it again. So after that, I'm going to click on what I accept the basic term. After that, I click on accept. Accepted. So that's the first step, accepted. So for the watch paid term, I'll simply click on what review. After that, you make sure you read this out. Once you finish reading, you simply click on what I accept the watch page term. After that, I'll click on what accept. So guys, we are just accepting on that step 2. After that, I'll simply come down and click on what submit. Once you're done in submitting, you simply need to turn on earn from ad and YouTube Premium in short feed. So I'll click on turn on. After that, you make sure you read this out. Once you are done in reading, you simply click on what I accept short feed term. So guys, as from this 1st of February 2023, I'll be earning money from all my YouTube short videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.